everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on this high boy dress that I have behind me in progress. Coming with me to outside to do the paperwork and stay tuned to see how I have in mind for this high boy dresser makeover. Let's go to start. I got this high boy dresser on Facebook for $45. It's in very good shape. Solid wood from 1981. First, I'm going to take out the hardware for make a good cleaning. I'm sorry guys, we missed the washed because my camera will die, but now it's time to sand with 220 degrees and machine. On this dresser, I'm not to go to change the base layers. I'm just go to the modernize a little bit. Now it's time to primer. I'm going to primer with this Ginger Bean shellac primer. After my primer dry overnight, it's time to paint. I'm going to use Rust-Oleum in linen white. Before I start to paint, I'm going to do a light sanding. Now I'm going to stencil my drawers with this stencil I used on a previous video, but today I'm going to do it in white because I need to make a cell in my area. The white is the most sellers. If I want to make a cell if you do white. After my third coat of paint is dry, it's time to protect my piece. I will to protect with polycrylic in clear satin with synthetic brush. Now it's time to protect inside with Fidian wax with the brush. The pulls I have in mind for this dresser was this beautiful pulls, but I ordered from Amazon. It's not that expensive and says 12 pieces, but it's just 6 pulls and 6 screws. It's not enough for my dresser. I changed the mind because the another one just coming in February 18. I bought this beautiful on TJ Maxx for $10. Let's see how this comes out on this dresser. I love so much how this dresser comes out. This Peru style, I really love it. I use this stencil for my third time. I link in the description below the other 2 videos I did with this stencil in different colors, and please let me know which one you like more. I hope you enjoy my video like I did to make it. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you next one. Bye.